I know exactly why you clicked this video after seeing the thumbnail, and now you're thinking, is this guy crazy? Everyone says upload daily, and here I am saying uploading daily might actually get you fewer views. Hold on a second. I'm not saying uploading daily is wrong, but yeah, if you're doing it the wrong way, YouTube might start seeing you as spam. Listen, YouTube doesn't punish people for uploading daily, but if all your videos look and feel the same, the audience starts skipping them, and the algorithm thinks this creator's getting boring. Simple logic, right? If there's something you really hate, let's say tatti. Let's say durian fruit, yeah, that one with the crazy smell, and someone forces you to eat it every single day, how would you react? So don't stop uploading daily, just make sure every single video has a new experiment, a new emotion, and a fresh hook. The algorithm loves variety, and that's exactly when your reach starts to explode. I share real YouTube secrets like this every single day, things people usually hide, but I show you the proof. Now you decide, is daily uploading a mistake or a real strategy? And yeah, one more truth, 99% of creators make this huge mistake. They start a brand new channel with a brand new Gmail account thinking it's safer, but that's their first big mistake. Then the next day they start uploading daily, and here comes the no views or 100 to 200 views problem. If you want me to break down both these mistakes, the Gmail setup and the new channel no views problem, in the next video, comment next video right now, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the notification.